So you might be in this really weird situation where for some reason your TikTok is not working or loading. Well, TikTok is a massive application. A lot of people use it, and there can be a lot of random weird things that basically don't end up working most of the time. So the first thing you're going to want to try doing is just checking and double checking your internet connection. So check your Wi-Fi connection, your internet connection, anything you're using, and that can be the very first thing that can end up, fixing it for you. So just double check those things, and that very well can end up fixing it for you. And that's exactly what I'd recommend doing for the very first step, is checking your Wi-Fi or internet connection. Now, the next thing I'd recommend doing is just going through and just seeing if you can update your TikTok application. So first of all, make your way over to your App Store. So you can tap into your App Store just like this. You want to click on the search bar, either your App Store or your Google Play Store, whichever one will work. And then from here, you want to go and start typing in TikTok as you normally would, and you'll come into this particular page. Now at this point, you can open up the TikTok app, and you should be able to see TikTok right here. All you're going to want to do is update this particular application. This is by far the easiest thing you can do to fix this problem, and for a lot of people, that's probably all you're going to have to do. So update your TikTok app, that might end up fixing it. If that still doesn't work, the next thing you're going to want to do is open up your internet browser of some sort, and you want to go to a website that's going to tell you what's down and what's up. So there's lots of websites that'll show you this stuff, but downdetector.com is one that I use. You can use it as a downrightnow.com. Also go on X and just kind of look at what's going on. And what you can do here is just go and see if TikTok is on here. If it's on here, if it's like number 1 or number 2, that basically means TikTok is having a widespread outage, and you're basically going to have to just wait it out until TikTok fixes this problem. So those are basically the main ways to go and fix this problem for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.